Good morning. My name is Wendy. I'm being your caregiver for today. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make a formula for a baby. First, we're going to wear our aprons and wash properly our hands. And then we're going to gather the materials needed, the sterilized bottle and the pitcher with sterilized water. First, using a tong, we're going to get the bottle, then before opening the formula milk, we're going to wipe the cover. Then get a two scoop of milk and label with a labeling spoon, and then put it. We're going to use this method or this, and after that we're going to clean again our hands by washing it, and after that clear the area.